Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are doing great by the grace of God. So, today's verse of God, I have taken it from Colossians chapter 3, verses 19. As it says, Husband, love your wife and do not be harsh with them. So, in today's word of God, a lot of husbands would be getting triggered with it, but don't worry, this is not only for the husband, but it also implies on wife as well. In today's world, a hypocritic world, I should say, a lot of family members in which husband and wife are having a great fight, and it usually ends up divorcing each other or abandoning each other. I think because of some small issues or misunderstanding, which is not getting being resolved. So, according to me, and in my opinion, I feel basic communication is something is key to your problem, and husband either communicating with them, you should not physically attack your wife, or you should not use your abusive language, as tongues has no bone, but still it's the greatest weapon where you can hurt a person, and it really shatters them. Same goes with wife. If you don't honor your husband, if you don't respect your husband will lose his value. Same goes to husband as well. If you don't honor your wife, if you don't respect her, if you don't support her from what she is going through, and if you don't have a proper communication, this will eventually end up and it will be causing some disaster. So I think a basic communication is very important. If not a communication, you can either talk to your close ones who can resolve this problem rather than adding more fuel. So I feel a counseling must also be done, and a physical abuse is something that husband and wife should not do, or which will impact your kids as well. So yes, this is a word of God I wanted to share with you guys today. I hope it is a message for the people and also for the parents out there. Please don't fight. If you're fighting, don't fight in front of your in-laws, or don't fight in front of your parents or your kids or your friends, because it would be like you would be an what to say you will be a topic for them for chit-chatting or gossiping for someone else's life. So whatever it is, solve it into a bedroom, but do not go for any physical violence, because a lot of cases out there which talks about physical violence, which ends up to death as well. So please take care of your loved ones. Please communicate with each other. If there is a small silly misunderstanding, also just silly issues as well, just try to resolve it rather than creating a big issue. Yes, so please meditate upon it and think about it. If you feel sorry for each other, go and say sorry. It won't cost you anything. Thank you. Take care.